Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share a recipe for how I make a really delicious salad dressing, or you can also use this as a dip for your vegetables or meat. It's very easy to make. I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together and it's really quick to make as well. So this is what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of tahini, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayo, half a teaspoon of yellow mustard, half a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can add more or less depending on how tangy you want it. And for the spices, you'll need 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of fenugreek powder. I'm not sure if that's pronounced correctly, but I will put the list of all the ingredients in the description box below. I also love adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of curry powder, but if you don't like curry powder, you can omit this ingredient, but I do think it gives it really nice flavor. And also some black pepper and salt to taste. The strongest flavor I think in this dressing or dip is the fenugreek powder. It gives it a really nice flavor, and that's definitely the flavor that stands out the most in my opinion, and I love it. So if you don't like it, you can add a little bit less, or you can omit it as well. So to make this, I'm starting out with the tahini, and I'm going to add the water and give this a good mix until everything is blended well. Next, you can add the sour cream, the mayo, the mustard, and all the spices. Also the lemon juice, I almost forgot that. And now I'm going to give this a really good mix until everything is combined. And this is what it looks like once it's all mixed well. It's a nice creamy consistency. And this is it for this easy, simple salad dressing or dip recipe. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. You can play around with the ingredients and change up the flavors by adding different spices if you'd like, and just use the same base. It's really so easy to make a homemade salad dressing or dip, so I rarely ever buy it at the store anymore. And this way I know exactly what's in it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this. If you like this video, give it a like please, and comment if you try this recipe. And as always, thank you all so much for watching.